Hello everyone, James Lewis here with Paradigm Homes at our most recent whole home renovation here in Alexandria, Virginia. This is a stately Colonial that we worked to preserve. We didn't change very much on the exterior, new roof, new sconce lighting, touch-up paint. The rest was a full home transformation on the inside. Come check it out. Entering the foyer here as we walk into the oversized living room space. In an older home, you don't always have the benefit of such a large space here on the first floor for entertainment. Lots of natural light with Marvin windows, black interior, white exterior. This is going to be a combination of classic and modern. We preserved the black slate on the floor from the fireplace and just accented it with Carrara marble. And then we're going to make our way really into the dining room. This space here sort of came later in the design. It was a recommendation of our design partner and our clients loved it. And so we delineate the space here with this beam and make our way into the kitchen. Nice oversized island, serves with great function. The windows really welcome you not only into the space, but also connect you to the outside. Lovely sconce lighting overhead, Sub-Zero Wolf appliances with a 42-inch Sub-Zero fridge, aged brass fixtures, both with your door hardware, your cabinet hardware, and your plumbing fixtures here. Lots of storage. These are Tedwood luxury cabinets, all soft close. The tile floor really kind of makes it a super functional space, whether you be inside or outside. Let's actually head outside and check it out. This deck was added. This complete section wasn't here. And so now you can not only sit out here, whether it be just the homeowners or their guests with some additional chairs, but you can also eat out here. This was existing, so that was expanded upon. Just a great flow as well back into the home. Here in this four-season room, again, just well appointed. You'll notice black windows, black hardware, lots of storage, carrying forward the original brick exterior wall, but having it blend, of course, with the new space where everything's light and bright. And now we're gonna enter in to nice cozy sitting room, sort of a secondary sitting room. And what I wanna really highlight here is that this opening wasn't here off of the foyer, which made it feel really dark, and really separate, but now you have connection and direct sight line of the space. And what's really neat as well is you have a mirror to remind you of that as soon as you come in. Moving here to our half bath. I love this bathroom. This is the bathroom that I envision guests using the most often with the lime wash walls here. Just a great restoration hardware, vanity, mirror, and we cannot ignore this lovely overhead light as well. Terrazzo is timeless. So I mentioned the blend of classic and modern. You have the benefit of it being tile, which will stand up over time, and you also are getting the terrazzo look there. This is just a closet for storage. It's a coat closet. And why don't we head upstairs? Actually, I want to give a special shout out to our top-notch architectural and interior design team. This is a new railing. You see it with a great flow. I mean, the spindles just dive into the floor. These floors are all red oak. They're original floors, which we sanded and just put a layer of satin poly on top just to preserve them and really allow them to be an integral part of the design for the new space. Come on upstairs. At the top of the steps, our first bedroom is our baby bedroom for newborn baby. And our second bedroom here is nice and light and bright. As we make our way here into the common hallway bath, want to point out also nice and light and bright, oversized custom window here, restoration hardware mirror, circular lighting, and my personal favorite, this beautiful plastic subway tile, great dimensionality to it and texture, and the color is shoji blue. Coming into the master, this is a great size master bedroom. Originally, there was a window here where this end table and lamp is. What we did was close that up, actually expand on this window space here to actually give a new placement for the client for their bed and their end tables. Behind this door, and yes, these sconces are telling you that it's a surprise. Used to be a bedroom, but now we have an amazing walk-in closet. Quartz countertops with this island here, complete walk around, and my personal favorite would be the sitting area, which has the great view and has storage as well. We really want to pay attention to the detail for our clients. We found that that's what they've come to expect. You know, soft close, like I said, everywhere. It really comes as a standard with us. Let's move into the master bathroom. You know, this used to be the master closet, believe it or not. Now we have some well-appointed double vanities here with the polished nickel Kohler faucets, circle lighting again, restoration hardware mirrors. Just a great open functional design here. In this bathroom, my personal favorite would be the numerous amount of fixtures. Yes, functionally you have body sprays on both sides. Also want to sort of point out, you see the different orientation of tile, really bringing it together nonetheless. Great shower here, lots of space. The tile on the floor is definitely a great complement as well. Lots of natural light as well. This is just a great bathroom, and I really love what the client decided in working with our designer and our architect for the functionality of their bathroom. Let's go down to the basement. Original red oak stairs, but we did appoint it with some new trim. Just again, just blending the old and the new. And now we're gonna come into what is really probably gonna be one of the most fascinating spaces for our clients, where they can relax in the basement. You don't always see this amount of natural light in the basement. I cannot overemphasize really just how much they're gonna love this natural light that comes into the space. They still have the fireplace, which was existing. And then we're gonna come back here to the wet bar. It actually has a new leather finish granite countertop, under cabinet, fridge, sink, floating shelves, and this tile here, as dark as it is, as you can see the symmetry with that and the fireplace facade, and just some great lighting. I can't point that out enough. That sconce lighting is just amazing. And then we're gonna head over into the space on the other side of the wall. We have a garage here, single car garage, gonna be a part of the next phase of the project for gym conversion. And welcome into their new laundry room. I think this is a laundry suite if you ask me. Just timeless choices with design with the black and white checkered hexagon tile, carrying forward with the same material, leather finish as the wet bar on the other side. And who says that your laundry room has to be boring when you can have cool fixtures from Kohler like this? This particular client couple, one is from Richmond, Virginia, the other is from California, and our goal was to actually make this home familiar and comfortable for both of them, despite them having different roots. You'll see that represented with the warm, with the cool, with the new, with the old, and we know that function is just as important in the design process, which would allow me to wrap up here showing you that what would a laundry room be without the additional storage? And in fact, I can fit in the closet. Till next time. Thank you for joining us here today in Alexandria on our property walkthrough, where we performed a whole home interior renovation. A lot of fun for us to preserve a few things along the way. If you or anyone you know is looking to do something similar, I would encourage you to go to our website, paradigmhomes.com, or give us a call for a consultation. We'd love to chat with you because it's our belief that the value of custom is that you would be 100% satisfied, all while us making it easy along the way. Until next time.